Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over an old office chair and turning it into a pretty and pink marbled showpiece. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over an office chair. It's much easier to marble the seat and back of a chair if it can be removed, so before you buy a thrift store chair, make sure to see if that can happen. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.